Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 bit, and a new H7 headlight bulb. Safety glasses and gloves are also recommended to protect your hands and eyes during the process. Having everything ready makes the job much smoother. Next, we need to access the headlight. Turn your steering wheel fully to the side you are working on. This gives you better access to the wheel arch liner. Remove the 3 Torx T20 screws holding the liner in place. Gently pull back the liner to reveal the headlight assembly behind it. This step provides the necessary space to work. Now let's replace the bulb itself. Locate the round bulb cover and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Unclip the retaining spring, then carefully remove the old H7 bulb. Insert the new H7 bulb, making sure it is seated correctly, and the retaining spring clips back into place securely. Finally, it's time to reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Replace the bulb cover, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Push the wheel arch liner back into its original position and reinsert the 3 screws. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.